What's up there, you guys? Your man Joe came around just found that you need to know. So today we're going to be getting into this article real quick, and I don't have that much time. Floods. Hold on. Okay. Floods in Iran. Death toll stands at 78. 136 injuries. Around 10 million affected. Wow. Severe flooding has been affecting most of Iran since mid-March, particularly province of Golestan, Fars, and I'm not gonna pretend like I don't know that word. And Lorston province. 28 of the Iran, 31 provinces have been affected. Several cities and villages in Kazakhstan Providence were affected, while five district in Avin City are under evacuation order. ECHO report April 11th. The risk of overflow from the dam remained a concern. Authorities says at the beginning of April they are dealing with extreme flooding and heavy rainfall, which at equaled more than half of the annual average within 24 hours. Golestan Providence, for an example, received 70% of annual rainfall in just one day. This is unprecedented for the past 300 years. IFRC said the country's uh, the country's arch- architectural sector suffered massive damage, estimate to more than 74 trillion reals, about 350 million in US dollars. As of 34 as April 4th, 36% of the country entries road network has been damaged. 84 bridge and nearly 200 rival rail roads washed away. As April 11th, 8 o'clock United Standard Time, UTC, 78 people reported dead and 136 injured and 10 million affected. So let you leave a comment, tell me what you guys think. Alright, this is your man Joe. See you guys in another video or so, okay? Alright.